VSC is also installed, by the way. You can just type VSC and it will show over here. You click it open. When the window opens, you'll see Windows Visual Studio Code open something like this. Now there are tons of themes that are available. You can just choose your theme and the colors that you want. You want white, you can click on this. Now you want something different, like the contrast and stuff, you can go with this. This is by the way default one, black one, which looks good and is easy on the eyes. This actually kind of reflects a lot, so it's up to you what theme you want. The good thing about VS Code is that you'll get this use AI features with Copilot for free. So Copilot is now free. We'll go about like how to install Copilot on your system. So I'll go with this and I'll click on setup Copilot. Okay, and Copilot is your AI. So you can see in the right side there's a chat window that opens. There's a prompt where you can basically post your questions and it'll help you code. It's a very good, amazing AI tool. So it says that you have to sign in order to get the Copilot for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and there's a option for GitHub account as well, so you can use your existing GitHub account to use the Copilot feature. Even if you don't do that, you can simply click on the sign in button and it will take you to the GitHub directly. Now you just have to provide the GitHub settings for your GitHub, so that will allow you to open it and you'll get verified. So you can just say open Visual Studio Code. It says okay, always allow VS Code to open links of this. So now you can see once you're logged in, Copilot is Copilot is already installed and you're already signed into Copilot. Now you can start using the feature. You can see this video on how to start working with it, but I'll show you like how useful this is in a bit.